Ayoko nakikita may idol ko yan. Pero may online nga ni. So, what is up, boys and girls? So, tayo ay nagbabalik. Ay, hindi pala nagbabalik. Lalaroin natin ngayon yung Silent Hill 2 remake. Dahil tapos na tayo tapos na natin tapusin yung Silent Hill 2F, ay Silent Hill F. Igzo. Let's start this game. Comment challenge. Dahil mga pro naman tayo pag mga ganyan. Standard lang. Hindi naman tayo ganun So nga pala guys, naka-stream tayo sa TikTok. Kaya medyo upload ko na lang din to on YouTube once it's done. So, ang dami ko na mga natapos na laro off-cam. Kaya, gusto ko naman quick stream lang din pala to. So, pakinggan muna natin to anong mangyayari dito. So, quick recap lang pala. Wala ako naintindihan sa iniisa sa storya ng Silent Hill F. Ganda ng graphics, boy. Legit. Grabe. Gaganda talaga ako sa graphics. First time ko kasi talaga maglaro ng ganito. Sorry guys. So, wala makikita nyo sa lower right yung... tama dito. Sa lower right. Yung comment section at sa upper right naman yung top view. Makikita nyo yung sarili ko dyan, yung kambal ko. Nanonood. So... ako, pangalan to si Conan. Tapos nasa ako sa Resident Evil Natay ko na lang yung Code Veronica. Si James. Si James pala to, bay. Okay. Damn, ang ganda, boy. Wait lang. Parang kailangan ko i-turn on yung Hold on. Yung super sampling. Yawn. Frame gen mo yan. Bakit may yan? Huwag mo na i-frame gen. Damn, ang ganda, boy. Ayoko yung skip ko. Gusto ko itong gusto kong maintindihan yung storya na tong Silent Hill 2.
In my restless dreams, I see that town.
What town?
Silent Hill. You promised you'd take me there again someday. But you know,
Pasensya na yung camera guys, medyo mababa yung camera. Hindi ko naayos.
I'm alone there now. In our special place.
Si Mary yung love niya, boy. Yung true love niya. Dito niya hanapin yung true love niya. Yung sa Silent Hill F naman, sa Ebisogo yun eh.
The name on the envelope said Mary.
1960s.
It's ridiculous. Couldn't possibly be true. That's what I keep telling myself. Mary died of that damn disease 3 years ago. So then why am I looking for her?
Oo nga, patay?
Our special place. What could she mean? This whole town was our special place.
What do you mean by that,
Could
bro?
Mary really be here? Is she really alive?
Medyo nag-iiba yung graphics Wow, damn! So pogy, bro. Hold on. How if we turn off Pag FSR 1 lang is balanced. Very good. Damn! Dude. Holy shit. Ba't ko sinarado ang bobo? Boy, ba't ko sinarado? Ang bobo ko. Lang ulit tayo, boy. Wala bang ano dito? Okay. Ayun. Space. Silent Hill Ranch, Nathan Ave. So, andi dito tayo. So, bababa tayo din sa graveyard. So, ano yung pinindot ko? E. Okay. Flashlight ka, tol. Grabe po yung ganda, men. Holy shit, ba't wala akong makita? Dude, wala akong makita, men. Wala akong makita. Dude, wala akong makita. Ano yan? Palabasin niyo ako. Yun. Yung ako na bumalik dyan. Tara, let's go. Okay. Damn, man, ang ganda, boy. Okay, so hindi ako masyado familiar dito sa larong to dahil hindi ko naman masyado napapanood to sa mga streamer. Well, so that means this is very interesting and cool to play. Hindi ako masyado sanay sa ano. Probably we're running on ano. Much better. So, nakakatakot. Lakas ng loob bumunta nito ni James sana eh, no? Oh. Well, tama ba pinupuntahan ko? Tama. So this is the save one. Ito alam ko to, napanood ko to sa YouTube. Pero the rest is hindi na. So ipala wala kasing documentations kung ano eh.
It's like someone's groping around my skull.
Is there blood? Okay, so now what? Are we gonna go here? Oh wow. Hello there.
Excuse me.
Sabay na sabay pa, boy. Ano pa yan? Ano sabay na sabay pa?
It's okay. I didn't mean to scare you. I'm kind of
Kamukha ni Leon.
Lost?
Baka yan si Mary, man.
looking for Silent Hill. Is this the right way?
Okay, so Silent Hill is a place, not some kind of a makeup name.
Yeah. It's hard to see with this fog, but there's only the one road. You can't miss it.
Thanks.
It is Silent Hill.
But
Hindi Silent Hill yan kung walang fog. Okay.
I think you should stay away.
Why? So
This,
monsters?
This town, there's something wrong with it. And
Yeah,
it's
just
not
like the
just
Silent Hill
fog
F.
either.
Is it dangerous?
Yes.
It's kind of hard to explain, but
I'll be careful.
I'm not
Pero bro,
lying.
ito nakakapagtaka dito sa Silent Hill kasi ito talaga hindi mo alam kung bakit may nangyayari dito sa lugar na to eh. Hindi ko tulad sa Resident Evil, alam mo eh, may kumakalat na virus and some kind of shit.
It's just. I guess I don't really care if it's dangerous or not. I'm going either way.
But why?
I'm looking
Because he's looking for his wife.
for someone.
Yeah, someone special to
Someone very
him.
important to me.
Yes.
Me too.
Si Ada.
I'm looking for my mama. I mean, my mother. It's been so long since I've seen her.
Y'all guys should help
I thought
each other.
my father and brother were here, but I can't find them either.
They're lost or eaten by the fog. The fog monster.
I'm sorry, it's not your problem.
No, I hope you find them.
Yeah, you too.
Okay, here we go. Well, that's her, right? Wait, long. Let's talk to her one more time.
Did you want anything else?
No, it's just this fog.
The fog doesn't
Does
seem.
it seem unsettling to you?
I guess.
So hindi mo na siya kakausapin, ganun lang yun. So we're gonna go ahead straight forward, right? Just like here. Just right here. Probably there's a monster there, some croc. Okay, we're heading to the Silent Hill. Whoa! Okay, I remember this place. I mean, I know this place. I've seen this place. Teka lang po, tayo na parang mas maganda atang walang ano eh, no? Parang mas maganda atang walang FSR eh. Nope, it's not. Very terrible. Ano yung ano? Global motion blur. Kaya pala. That's one of the reasons why it's lag. Well, much better. So, you should get that shit, bro. You need to get anong tawag dun? A weapon. So this is like anong tawag dito? Farm. Whoa. Yeah, this is like a farm. I mean, not a farm. What do you call that? A ranch? Yun. Okay, so before we go before we go there, go like you need a bolt cutter. That's why you gonna enter here or there. Dito muna kasi ito yung nakabukas. And I'm pretty sure... Ano yun? And I'm pretty sure na merong... Okay, it's locked. Welcome to town. To get the window fixed, spare keys in the drawer. Where is the drawer? Where's the drawer?
Hello?
Oh, ito.
Anyone in here?
Dude, you better have some keys, right? Okay. Ano ba loot dito? Don't... Yep, wala. I can't even see shit. Okay. So, ito ang hindi ko alam. Yep, pwede mo naman sigurong talunin yan, no? Hindi naman, pwede ka naman mag-over the back dyan, Perd. Hindi naman, ano yun, no? Yung mga ganito, intindi ko pang hindi mo maanin, pero yun, boy, pwede mong akitin yun, eh. Kahit sino pwedeng akitin yun, eh. There we go. Silent Hill. I'm pretty sure it's a bit cold here. Hindi talaga ako ano sa ano. Okay, wait lang, hindi talaga ako ano. Yan. Hindi talaga ako ano. Yan. Gusto ko talaga yung smooth yung gameplay ko, di ako yung ano eh. Yeah. Okay, so we're now at the... Sa Whistle Road. Sa Whistle Road na tayo. So, around 10:20 something. Pag minahanap tayong ano, tayo mag-ano. Tapusin na natin yung first episode muna. Okay. There's a suspense sound. I'm pretty sure something's bad gonna happen here. Road runner. Runner. Okay, we can't open that shit. How about the mail? Can't either. Okay, so now what? No trespassing daw, boy. Visitors must register to the main office. Pero ikaw, anong ginagawa mo dito? And I'm pretty sure na pwede mong pasukin yan. Pati rin ito. No? Whoop, a cutscene. There's a note. Pick it up. Oh, it's just not. It's a note. It's not. It's a map. Much larger map. So, ay grabe na mga taon to. So, dito muna tayo sa Sanders Street. Pupunta tayo sa Kay Gonzalez Restaurant. Oh, bit creep here, man. Dito. Collected the map of the west, south. Hindi. May hindi tayo na-check dito, diba? Try muna natin dito. Okay, we don't always skip things. Lalo na hindi pa naman natin ito kabisado. Or we don't know this. We need to check everything. If is the trunk is open? No, it can't open trunk. What about the? Can't either. This is sucks, man. After all been years past, dude. What about this? I'm pretty sure I can kick that shit. Oh, we can open it. We can open it. There's a note. Okay. Ano to? Ba't hindi ko mabasa? Mrs. Cassandra, a customer came in today. Ordered a mixed bouquet, red and white. One tried to explain it's bad luck. Bad, huh? But hindi talaga ako makapagbasa ng ganito, boy. Hindi talaga ako makapagbasa ng ganyan. Sorry. Can any of y'all, ano tawag doon? Translate it? Ano ba yan? Yep. Bawal tayo mag-ano. Bawal mag-check ng ano. Oh, bloodstain. It's a bloodstain, James. It's a bloodstain. Okay? Is pwede niyo akong bigyan ng directions kung alam niyo tong laron to, pero yun naman sana kayo i-spoil. But if na-spoil man ako, okay lang. Kahit mga isang spoil lang. Pero wag na yung sobrang dami. Like yung ime-meta gaming na. Wag naman na ganun. Yun, pwede mo naman kumuha dyan, James. Si James. So, dito na tayo diretso. So, we just circled around, right? Okay, so try natin muna pumasok dito. I mean, every vicinity we should check. Okay, Gonzales Restaurant. Check natin to. So, probably it's open or not. Is it? It's closed. Naibabasa mo naman siguro, no? It's closed. Oy. Why is it closed? I'm pretty sure we're gonna burn that shit. I can jump either. Buti pa si ano nakakapagtalon eh. Nakakatalon sa iluluko nga to hanep yan. Kaya pala naka-off yung bising ko eh. Okay. Oh. Hindi ka pwede talaga mag-over the background na, pre. Hindi uso sa'yo no. Sup nga pala sa 3 viewers dyan. Oh, we have another bloodstain.
That stuff.
Yeah. So there's a direction na kagad. So we need to proceed here. Okay, so we have a back door. Probably it's open. Not. It's not closed. What about this? Pretty sure it's open. Pwede mo naman sigurong basagin. I think. So what? We're just gonna follow the path? Yep. Probably think so. Because if this is all closed, we're gonna follow the path. Gonna follow the path. The blood path. Kasi dumiretso lang yung ano eh. Ensarado rin. Oh, whoa. Huh? Uh-oh. We experienced the first monster. I mean, we encountered the first We encountered the first monster. You shouldn't call out, man. Okay, so what now? So it's a bit scary here. Mas nakakatakot pa kaysa sa Resident Evil. Yep. Area close off due to an accident. Trespassing might lead to injury or death. Okay. Pero pasaway ako, boy. Kailangan ko pa talaga makapasok dyan, men. I'm pretty sure na kapag gumawa tayo ng ingay, someone might hear us. Who's gonna hear us? Bukas naman lang tol. Kahit isang pinto man lang bukas. What the fuck? Kahit isang bukas man lang na bahay. Oh. Oh, meron palang alley. Whoop! May crouch ba? Walang crouch, boy. Okay, so we have a back alley leads to a backyard. I'm finding a weapon. Whoa! I can hear someone. Parang leaker ang putek. Parang leaker. This is so freaking scary. Nako naman manda sa lahat. Eh, naboy yung martilyo. Kukunin ko na yan. This is so dumb, man. Every characters in a fucking horror game is dumb. Pero kay Leon. Look around to find out it's marked by the white cloth. Traversal can interact with it. Oh shit. Got to be fucking kidding me right now. Is this it? Okay, so we're gonna end the freaking first episode here, so y'all can wait for more episode more to come. Like siguro gagawin ko na tong kung bukas man kung walang ibigay na assignment sa amin. Siguro try ko sundan ng second episode to at sa Sabado masusundan to. If may free time ako sa Sabado at sa Linggo if may free time rin I'm gonna do it again and sa mga susunod na araw ganun rin. So yeah, hope you guys come to my stream on TikTok. So here's my account nga pala. Pati pala dito. Ayan. Andiyan ang account ko. And I hope y'all enjoyed that boring gameplay. Gusto ko pa sanang i-extend kaso may online pa ako bukas na maaga. Kaya hindi pwede. Kaya gusto ko man pero wala talaga. Bububot ko kinit. Pero hindi na talaga. So probably we'll end it here. Kaya yeah. Thank you all guys for watching again. And I hope y'all guys enjoyed. So please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. And see you guys on another stream or video. Peace out. Have a great one.